How to add someone's story to your story on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can add someone's story to your story. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if our video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app. When you want to share a post on your story, you just tap on the share button and here you get the add post to your story option. So you can easily share a post on your story. But when you try to share a story, you will not get the add story to your story option. You will only get the option if you are mentioned in the story. If you are not mentioned in the story and want to share it on your story, now what you can do is that you can either screenshot the story or screen record it and then share it on your story. But if you don't want to screenshot or record, you can download the story and then put it up on your story. Open the story you want to download, tap on these three dots, then tap on the copy link. There are many apps and websites available from where you can download Instagram posts and stories. So open an Instagram downloader and paste the copied link. And then you can share the story on your story without screenshotting or screen recording it. However, you must get permission to record someone's Instagram story. And you should also be aware that you are most likely breaking Instagram's terms of service. So this is how you can add someone's story to your story on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.